Okay, all throughout 2025 and even a year before, everybody knows the massive inflation. So then the current prices are going up, and here in Las Vegas is getting hit. They have been, they were down 8.8% in September. And yeah, granted, they still have, in the month of September, they still had 30.1 visitors, but that was down. Uh, Also, the price per room was down, which means that the hotels are making money. Hotel occupancy in September was 78.7%, but last year it was a whopping 83.4%. The local tourism authority did say that most of that was due to apparently people aren't going throughout the week, they're just staying on the weekends. During the year 2025, the story has highlighted what we all know is that tourism has taken a hit. Hit. We've seen Disney offer deals all throughout the summer. I still believe that more deals will be coming next year, even with the price hikes. I still think more deals will be on the horizon. However, the good news is, if you are wanting to travel, contact your local travel agent because I am pretty sure there are deals out there to be had. People are willing to do upgrades at the yin right now. And so, if you want to go on vacation, if you can afford to go on vacation, now would be a great time to go or at least book a trip. Okay, everybody, y'all have a good rest of the day.